Wireless LAN deployment and optimization using WiTuners. Let's start with a new deployment. If you'd like to start from scratch with your own deployment, click New Deployment on the top toolbar. The floor plan window will be erased. It's best to use the auto-planing wizard by clicking the tab on the left sidebar. You'll be led step by step through a deployment sequence. First, select Start from New at the bottom and click Next on the auto-planning wizard window. Second, the wizard moves to the Load a Floor Plan step, and you're presented with a file selection menu that's soliciting graphical images, let's say GIF, JPEG, or BMP. If you have one of your own, find it and click Open, or choose one of the default floor plan images shown. Click Next. Third, click Set Scale and follow the instructions displayed on the pop-up box. You can either change the number directly on the scale or select 2 points on the floor plan by left-clicking the mouse, then right-click mouse to input the distance between A and B. All distances must be in meters. Fourth, click on Set Deployment Area. A dotted rectangular area defines the area within which access points will be deployed to cover that enclosed area. Either corner or midpoint dongles can be used to set the rectangular area to cover the desired portion of your floor image. Don't worry too much about the exact line positions, since access points can be adjusted later. Fifth, click Define AP radio properties and enter configuration parameters explicitly, or choose one of the standard 802.11b GAN configurations from the drop-down menu at the upper left of the window. If you're not sure about the meaning of all the parameters, let WiTuners take care of them for you by using one of the standard 802.11 configurations. A specific antenna pattern can also be chosen from the Antenna Pattern button. Then click Define Default Client Properties and enter configuration parameters for the default client explicitly, or choose one of the standard 802.11b GAN configurations from the drop-down menu at the upper left of the windows. If you're not sure about the meaning of all the parameters, let WiTuners take care of them for you by using one of the standard 802.11 configurations. Then click Set Environment. Select or enter configuration parameters for the environment type. Click Next. Finally, click on Anywhere on the panel. The wizard will automatically generate an optimal plan based on your input and the optimization goal. Click Finish to exit from the wizard. To save the deployment, click the Save Deployment button on the left sidebar menu, where you will be solicited by a pop-up File Navigator window for a new file name in which to save your work. Select the Start Auditing button on the left sidebar and the auditing begins. A traffic load display is shown at the bottom of the menu, with a red line tracing the progress. A maximum capacity and alert boundary are also shown. If the traffic audit hits or crosses the alert line, a circled X is plotted and a message pops up asking whether or not you want to optimize the deployment. If you choose to do so, the AP parameters will be adjusted and the traffic should fall below the alert line. Traffic will never exceed the maximum capacity line. The optimization of your deployment can be made by selecting the Optimization button on the left sidebar. Choose the Customize Goals button to customize the goals that WiTuners will use to achieve optimization of the deployment. You can choose any one, a combination, or all of these selections. Select the Optimize button on the left sidebar, and the parameters of the deployment will be automatically adjusted to meet the selected goals. A pop-up information box will display the optimized throughput and compare it to that previous to the optimization. Select the reporting function via the Report button on the left sidebar. The report can be customized by selecting the Customize button and choosing the elements that you wish to have included in the report. Then choose Create Plan, and a PDF document will be produced. It will include information as access points, their characteristics, signal levels, interference, floor plan snapshots, heat maps, and performance values. Now that you have an overall idea of WiTuners and its capabilities, just try it out at WiTuners.com. It's free to use for small wireless LANs, allowing to deploy, optimize, and report your custom deployment.